19 big banks worldwide disclosed their significant cryptocurrency hoarding in a groundbreaking research, stumbling to stage $10,270,000,000. Banks have allocated almost $205 million to XRP, making it an excellent option. The XRP community is shocked by this announcement, which marks an important turning point for Ripple's native talking. As this story develops, stay tuned. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now that we are here, I believe that this year we will reach $30. I predict that it will likely be about $300 the following year, and that it will likely be around $1,000 the year after that. After that, I predict that it will simply go crazy. I believe that the next 3 years will be rather exciting, and that the bull run will last for 3 years. Let's hope that's how things work out, but these pricing projections seem a little out of control, and I wouldn't anticipate such a big thing happening so quickly. Additionally, although Bitcoin is still stagnating as of right now, major corporations, institutions, and banks worldwide are investing in it, and it's still outperforming XRP by a wide margin. As a result, I can see the same thing happening with XRP at this time, whereas Bitcoin hasn't yet accomplished the enormous thing that it was expected to. In order to investigate the potential uses of asset tokenization, Deutsche Bank has joined Project Guardian. The main ideas behind XRP and Ripple are emphasized in multiple reports published by Deutsche Bank. As is well known, Deutsche Bank and XRP have a collaboration. MasterCard conducts the first tokenized deposit transactions with 10 Chart subsidiaries, Standard Chartered Hong Kong that has already worked with Ripple and MasterCard, as well as partnerships with XRP and Standard Chartered Hong Kong. For us, that's really fantastic. Let's move on to the next subject. 19 banks affirm that they own $10.2 billion worth of XRP. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision has published a report from the various banks putting XRP among the most well-liked cryptocurrency assets that have drawn investors' attention. This new development has sparked strong reactions, particularly among XRP devotees. Leading cryptocurrency advocate and XRP fan Jack the Ripper announced the news to his team and followers on X. The study claims that 19 banks from various parts of the globe disclosed a combined cryptocurrency exposure of roughly $10.2 billion, with XRP emerging as a well-liked investment option. For background, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision is a 45-member international banking committee made up of central banks from 28 different jurisdictions. The committee was tasked with helping national supervisory agencies for banking and financial markets develop a more cohesive strategy for addressing regulatory issues. Disclosure distribution of cryptocurrencies based on the report, XRP represented roughly 2% of the $10.2 billion exposure, or roughly $25 million, making it the third largest altcoin to emerge from the banks that reported. As predicted, the two crypto assets with the highest market capitalization, Ethereum and Bitcoin, made up the majority of the exposure that the banks disclosed. Together, the two contributed 53%, 31% came from Bitcoin, and the remaining 22% came from Ethereum. Consequences for the BCBS report: with time, XRP's adoption rate has steadily increased, overcoming obstacles to rank among the most well-liked cryptocurrencies. The BCBS report, which shows significant XRP-related banking transactions, suggests that a digital asset has maintained its relevance in spite of an unimpressive market outlook. Remarkably, XRP has stayed below $1 in price for more than 2 years, and many cryptocurrency enthusiasts have it on their watch list. We then proceed to analyze XRP holders. Here are the reasons why the next 3 to 12 months could be a game changer for you with XRP. Leading cryptocurrency analyst AgroCrypto just published a piece in which he used TradingView's Gaussian channel to analyze the price movement of XRP. Agro described the Gaussian channel before getting into his analysis. He states that one of the most important tools for analyzing price movements is the Gaussian channel, which is derived from the normal distribution and shows price fluctuations around mean indicative volatility levels. The channel's wisdom helps with risk assessment and is a good indicator of volatility. It is also useful for determining levels of support and resistance, as well as for calculating the likelihood of future price movements. GC is a priceless tool for managing risk and making wise trading decisions. Agrok then concentrates on the chart's green Gaussian channel, which he believes offers important information for deciphering XRP price movements in the future by examining past patterns in the lengths of comparable green channels. He makes a comparison between the current state of affairs and 3 earlier examples of a green channel on the chart, denoted A, B, and C. The Agrok crypto claims that green has already passed. Green C is probably going to end around January 2025, while green B is anticipated to end around June 2025. He underlines that rather than marking the end of the XRP price cycle, these dates signify the start of a more profound bear market phase. Agrok Crypto advises against using these dates as a means of exiting the market and instead believes they may serve as a catalyst for a longer-lasting bear market. The analyst composed a letter. The tweet ended with an advice to XRP owners to maintain their composure because the upcoming 3 to 12 months may be a crucial window. It is crucial to understand that viewers should not perform their own research before making investment decisions, and that this tweet does not serve as financial advice. We already know that Agro Crypto is not the only analyst making intriguing predictions for XRP. In the Ripple case, the top attorney explains how SAC hopes to enrich institutional buyers of XRP. As we could see, there have been repercussions, and SAC is anticipating a court decision regarding remedies. Attorney Murphy points out the absurdity of the SAC's lawsuit-related demand for disgorgement. Leading legal expert James Meadow attorney Murphy has offered new information regarding the SAC v. Ripple case, particularly the regulator's request for disgorgement. Disgorgement, as used in securities regulations, means giving up any unjustified profits that were acquired by illegal means. Remember that the regulator requested the court to impose a penalty of almost $2 billion on Ripple for violating federal securities laws in the SAC's opening remedies. $876 million in disgorgement is included in the $2 billion fine that the SAC is requesting. An additional $198 million in interest per judgment and a civil penalty of $876 million. Murphy commented on the development and noted that the U.S. Supreme Court has previously stated that all disgorgements must go to the case's victims, calling the SAC's disgorgement demand an absurd one. Disgorgement is supposed to go to the victims, something the U.S. Supreme Court has made very clear, he said. In a recent interview on the Good Morning Crypto podcast, attorney Murphy said something. He made it clear that victims of the Ripple case would receive any money that SAC was able to recoup as disgorgement. It is important to note that institutional XRP buyers are the ones who are being referred to as the victims of Ripple's violation of securities laws. Attorney Murphy put it this way: if the SAC prevails, the regulator will disgorge the money to institutional XRP buyers, not hold any for the U.S. Treasury or itself. That's about it for the information we have for this video. If you would like more meal, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.